Let's now talk about that flashpoint in Jammu and Kashmir over the release of Hurriyat hardliner Masrat Alam. That fight between the BJP and the PDP has intensified. The local unit of the BJP has upped the ante against the PDP. They warned the PDP not to take such decisions unilaterally. Top BJP leadership of Jammu and Kashmir went into a huddle late yesterday. They said they will not tolerate such actions of the PDP. The BJP said decision was not a part of the common minimum program on the basis of which the alliance government was formed. The state BJP chief and MP Jugal Kishore Sharma has said that his party was not even consulted before this decision was taken. Unfazed by BJP's opposition, the PDP continues to defend Mufti Mohammad Saeed's decision. The Union Home Ministry has sought a report from the Jammu and Kashmir government on Masrat Alam's release. On the other hand, protests by various groups are continuing in the Jammu region against the release of the Muslim League chief, who was seen as the chief architect of the 2010 stone pelting incidents. 112 people were killed in that incident. Seeking the dismissal of the Mufti Mohammad Saeed government, the J&K Panthers party has called for a two-day Jammu Bandh starting today. VHP leader Praveen Togadia has addressed a rally in Jammu. He demanded Masrat Alam's arrest again. He sought an apology from Mufti Mohammad Saeed for praising Pakistan.
ऐसा है, पार्टी ने इस विषय को बड़ी गंभीरता के साथ लिया है और पार्टी इस डिसीजन से निराश है और पार्टी की इस में कोई सहमति नहीं थी और ना ही पार्टी को इसकी कोई जानकारी थी। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऐसे फैसलों पर जिन पर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ विचार विमर्श नहीं किया होगा, कतई सहन नहीं करेगी।
ऐसे खूंखार आतंकवादी को पॉलिटिकल प्रिजनर कहना सबसे बड़ी गलतफहमी है, ये गलत बयानबाजी है। मसरत आलम को सरकार तुरंत गिरफ्तार करे। मसरत आलम की रिहाई देश की सुरक्षा के लिए बहुत बड़ा खतरा है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी से किसी कीमत पर भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी, स्वीकार नहीं करेगी।